Looking for something different to do for date night? How about a shooting range cooking class combo? You can experience it right here at the Shooting Edge.
So we're not your grandpa's gun store.
The Shooting Edge has been a successful gun range, retailer, and school in Calgary for 17 years. But owner J.R. Cox wanted to take it up a notch with an experience designed especially for couples.
By doing that, we bring in a different demographic, right? Expose them to the shooting sports in a very non-confrontational, very fun way. I mean, plus two is who doesn't like to eat.
Parts of a gun. Magazine. Pretty simple rules.
The evening begins with instruction on how to shoot. Then couples get to test their new knowledge with some major firepower.
Well, date night, we try to make it's a sampling. Like, it's not a full-blown experience like when somebody comes in here normally. We have a window. So besides the safety briefing, we've picked some firearms. So we try to keep it to fairly gender neutral. So we mix a mixture of handguns, carbines, maybe put a shotgun in there, something makes loud boom. So they have a really good time, but they get a nice little sampling of everything, and then they go. So it's experiential, but it's not complete. You know, we're kind of whetting their appetite to come back and do it again.
We could use green peppers, we can use red peppers, yellow peppers. I like to use a mix.
Then it's out of the firing range into a fully equipped demonstration kitchen where Chef Gennaro Silvestri fires up a professional cooking demo.
The nice thing with Chef Gennaro is he knows how to break it down, explain it, and make you laugh and get you involved so that you retain it and you can take it home.
The package of two very different pastimes runs $300 per couple. Romantic or just friends. Date night takes place every second Saturday at the Shooting Edge with new menus every month. With your eCalgary update, I'm Tiffany Burns.